Good morning, students. Hope you are all fine. Today, we want to start with Unit 1, Plants and Environment. Chapter 1, The Widespread Plants in Lebanon. Okay, first of all, a forest and a garden. In a forest, we have wild plants grow without help of a man, while in a garden, we have cultivated plants. Man takes care of the trees and the plants in the garden. So in a forest, we have wild plants grow without the help of a man, while in a garden, we have cultivated plants. Man takes care of the trees and the plants in the garden. Let's start with the wild plants, trees and shrubs. For example, poplar tree. Trees are large in size and have one hard stem, called the trunk. The hard stem called trunk. Now the shrubs are the small trees, okay? For example, olive tree, شجرة الزيتون, okay? So the shrubs are small trees like the olive tree. Now, the shrub trees, like the oleander, okay? The shrub trees are, for example, oleander. Now the herbs, for example, the enola, reed, marguerite, we have also the poppy, we have many herbs, okay? Now, cultivated plants. Cultivated plants, they are grown with man's help. Plants of orchards, like the apple tree, the olive tree, and the cherry tree. Okay, the apple tree and the olive tree and the cherry tree. Those trees grow in middle-high mountains. Okay, so the apple tree, the olive tree, the cherry tree, those trees grow in the middle-high mountains. Now, the orange tree, the palm tree, the almond tree, they are coast fruit trees. Okay? Now, plants of vegetable garden. For example, tomato, lettuce, potato, cucumber. Okay? So plants of vegetable garden, tomato, lettuce, potato, a cucumber. Okay? So plants of the orchard, like apple tree, cherry tree, olive tree, plants of vegetable garden, like tomato, potato, lettuce, cucumber. Okay? Plants of the fields, like the wheat fields and corn fields. Okay? So plants of the fields, wheat fields, and corn fields. Okay? So cultivate the plants of the fields like wheat fields and corn field. Okay, plants of the vegetable garden like tomato, lettuce, potato, and plants of the orchard like apple tree, olive tree, orange tree, almond tree, palm tree. Okay, so as a conclusion, plants cultivated by man are useful him. Those plants provide man with the fruits, vegetables, and seeds. So those plants give us fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Now, each plant has its advantage. Wild plants, for example, the cedar tree, lives on high mountains on a rocky soil. It gets water from the snow. So the cedar tree lives on high mountains on a rocky soil. It gets water from snow. Now the pine tree. The pine tree, it's a big tree, okay? lives in sandy soil, gets water from the rain, loves light. Okay, so the pine tree lives in sandy soil, gets water from the rain, and loves light. The poplar tree grows humid ground found in the middle and high mountains. Okay, the poplar tree grows humid ground found in middle and high mountains. The fern grow in shade humid regions. Okay, now the cultivated plants. Apple and fruit trees, orchard like apple tree, cherry tree, olive tree, cultivated in terraces, okay, مدرجات. While vegetables grow in a garden, divided into squares, okay, vegetables grow in a garden, divided into squares. Now, this is a picture how we plant vegetables and cereals. Okay, this is a picture how we plant the vegetables and the cereals. Okay, a private garden, different plants in a private garden. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.